Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today said that the government will take all steps to provide assistance to government colleges to implement NEP. While speaking to reporters after the cabinet meeting, Chief Minister, however, said that all the colleges who are affiliated will have to implement the new education policy since it is in the best interest of the students. Sangma also said that the government may not give all the assistance to the deficit colleges since they have their own managing body and sponsors. He also made it clear that there is no option and the state has to move ahead with NEP, but it does not mean that the idea will be bulldozed.
To move ahead with this, whether it will happen now or it will happen later, that's something that the Education Department and Nehu will discuss with the respective colleges which are affiliated to Nehu, which is almost all of them. And hence that discussion will happen on a case-to-case basis. There is no opposition to the NEP. Everybody knows that it is in the best interest, and hence everybody agrees that it should happen. Number two, everybody also understands that there's a huge challenge to it. It's not that it's easy. All transitions are difficult, and hence we will have to ensure that whatever challenges are there, we have to slowly overcome.